You've probably noticed that laser etching glass isn't as straightforward as it is with other materials. So here's an easy way to do it regardless. You'll need some acetone, acrylic paint and a sponge to apply it. Clean the surface of your glass so that the paint adheres well, and then start painting the surface you want etched. I found that dabbing with a sponge worked best for this step. Now let this layer dry. You can see that the first layer didn't cover all of the surface, which is why you'll have to apply another coat for a better finish. Now this step completely depends upon your laser. I can only recommend that you go for 100% power and a small interval for a smooth finish. If you don't have an enclosure for your laser, be sure to wear a respirator, as burning off the acrylic smells horrendous and probably isn't good for you. Now you can either wipe off the rest of the paint or just wash it off. And the last step is to subscribe for more no bull tutorials.